I have a hard drive that's failing. Now we have to replace it. Come on along for the ride. I had a hard drive that's dying. How do I know it's dying? Because I can't write to it anymore. So, open up the back of the computer. Maybe. Get a screwdriver. Okay, hard drives are here, and technically there's base for 2, but I have 3 in here because it has 4 holes in the bottom of the case, which is how you put the hard drive on the bottom. Now, plug everything, move it out of the way, hoping I can get away with just loosening this up and this mostly out. And yeah, you get dust in the computer because that's what happens. And move these cords out of the way. Unfortunately, I don't know which hard drive is where. I'm just going to have to so I'm going to pause this and take the hard drives out. Now I've got 3 hard drives out, 2 were bad. Now for the unboxing, we got black, which is a mechanical drive, but it's got higher spin speed and faster transfer rates, which is why I went with the black. 1 terabyte. Set of 4 screws, but since this is a NZT case, it's black, NZT sends black screws. So those screws, but I'm going to keep the other screws. But you never know when you're going to need them. So that's the case. black. So, since this is a new drive, we're going to put this at the bottom of the case. But George, it only has 2 bays. No. It's flat. 4 slides. What you want to do though, plug it in, slide it down, slide down, then slide it over. Two holes are where you want to start your screws. While you hold it, and don't worry, you're not going to arc, because you're not going to arc the hard drive on the bottom of the case, because these grooves are lifted. So it is designed to have a hard drive at the bottom. Now in this NZXT case, what you want to do, what I made a mistake of doing, you want to push the hard drive far down as you can, so that it doesn't pinch the power or the SATA cable. Which, even if it's all the way up, it's still unlikely. It's still fine. But if there's a chance that you're going to pinch them, it's best not to take that chance. Now, that hard drive is installed and ready to go. Now, I had to take power supply partially out so I had access to the bottom. Now, this is the other hard drive that's part of this system. I'll put this here. Now it's got 2 screws on the left, and we're going to put 1 screw on the right, because it's installed where it needs to be anyway. So, put 1 screw here. Yes, 3 screws are more than sufficient. Okay, 1, 2, in the front here. Now, what you have to do, and this is going to be a little tricky, is there's a screw mount here. So we have to, and it's best to have a magnetized screw head. So you can find out where it is, put it in, and connect it together. So that finished.
It gets a little bit more muddled. That's the instant
So we're
reaction. This is my tease ahead to Sunday because
close
on
out.
Sunday there's going to be the release of a brand new
So
NBC
all these icons that are gone, well, there's a few that won't come back, but that's okay because they are Steam, and I didn't back up Steam. So I'm going to have to reinstall Steam to get it back up and running. That's, you know, the game, stuff like that. So we'll let this thing boot, and you'll see when this comes back that we should have all our icons back in place. And all, there we go. Please wait. Isn't that pretty? See, yeah, all the icons came back. I can start modeler. It'll eventually come up there. See it works. So now my programs work, but the Call of Duty, World at War, and Steam, I didn't reinstall yet, so I have to do that yet. But just so you know, when you have a hard drive that's dying, like this one, what it did was it became a read-only drive. I couldn't write stuff to it. So that was the big hint that, you know, hey, this drive is dying and you need to replace it soon. So you back everything up. Then when you put the new drive in, give it the same drive letter, and then copy everything back to it, and then you should be good to go. Thank you for watching. See you next time.